Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is graphically summarizing quantitative data cross-tabulation or cross-tab on Tableau. Guys, if you want to see it on Excel, we also have a video about it, and the video is in our video description. So, how do we do that? So what is a cross-tabulation? It's a tabular method that displays the number of observations in a data set for different subcategories of two categorical variables. And it's also called contingency table. The subcategories of the variables must be mutually exclusive and exhaustive. For instance, uh, a setting transaction. So it is only one. So you cannot have the same transaction more than once. So each transaction is one data. So that is why it's awesome for accounting and business. Meaning that each observation can be classified into only one subcategory and taken together over all subcategories. They must constitute the complete data set. So let's first go to our Excel file. On Excel, the easiest way is working with pivot tables, but with pivot tables, you need to filter, and it's not that easy. So here is some revenue data. So two products, business and accounting textbook, and date. In one date here, April 19th, that is my birthday. And 2022, a random year here. So we have around 600 transactions, a lot of transactions. Our customer's ID, I only add random numbers here. And product, we will need it because we will need to filter them later. And format of this textbook, ebook, rental, bundle, or loose leaf. Region, I take only D for main cardinals, east, west, north, and south. And payment, 3, cash, credit, or PayPal, and the amount, the value. And here, the second, only prices, accounting and business textbook. And we assume here that we are selling it to students, so one textbook on each transaction. So, okay, let's close it and save it, and let's open the Tableau. So Tableau is not a database, so let's connect it to our cross-tabulation on Tableau. And here we have two sheets, so data is our sheet. And then here, date, that is on date format, and text, good, text, and number. And here, what do we need? Customer ID, even if it is a number, Tableau recognizes it as a dimension. So here, we don't need to convert it to dimension. So, okay, we can work with tables or graphs. So first, let's create some tables here. So, okay, let's put format here and our format. Okay, let's do it on columns and then payments. Okay, so format and payment, cash, credit, and PayPal. And here, let's see how many books have we sell. So data, count, and here 180, all of ours. So the largest one was bundle on credits. Now it's missing the totals. How do we add it? Analytics, total, columns, and rows. So here it is the 600. However, let's add additional info. So first of all, let's switch it. Okay, bundle and then cash credit. However, let's also go back here on data by region. So, okay, bundle. How many textbooks do we sold by region? So we can add region here. So bundle, east, north, south, west. Ebook, east, north, south, west. We can do the opposite. See how easy it is on Tableau. Format here. East. How much bundle, ebook, loose leaf, and rental? And then it's missing the total for the rows because it's a new info. So total, subtotals. And then it goes on subtotals here. So no transaction on cash on the south and no transaction on PayPal. And west only cash and PayPal. So that is quite interesting here. Okay, so but let's go back to this format here. Okay, guys, or we can split it in two. So bundle, if we delete it. So bundle here, credit and PayPal. And here, we have here the bundles, credit here, and then on PayPal here, credit and PayPal. And we have all of the numbers here, and then totals, the subtotals again. So we have 180 bundles, 126 ebooks, 98 loose leaf, and 196 rental. But here it is combining accounting and business, all of the textbooks. So we can also summarize it by product. So here, if we put the product here, and then, okay, accounting textbook, and then business textbook, and so on. So here, sometimes it's not easy to expand columns here, and we are good. But I think this one we could. Whoops. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. So here is our column. But then our report is being too long. So instead of going on one additional column here and then totals, there are more subtotals on 400 accounting textbooks, 200 business textbooks, or we can simply go on product, move to filters. And then which one do we want? Accounting or business? Here we want both, but we can go only on accounting, for instance, 400, and then we can go on show filter, and then the filter will be here, and then we can go on business, for instance. Cool, huh? So here is our table, and we can create how many tables do we want. But now, let's go on, let's duplicate it. So duplicate. Whoops, duplicate twice. And then instead of going like this one, let's go here. So see, or I prefer this one. So here, what do we have? East, north, south, west for bundle, ebook, loose leaf, and rental, and only for business. But, and here table chart. So this is a cross tab. So we are crossing them. Or we can go, if we change it here, it will go on region and then on bundle, loose leaf, and rental, east, north, and south, and west. Remember, if we go here, it will be, whoops, it will be bundle, ebook, and east, north, south, and west. So here, let's go on chart by format. And then we can duplicate it and chart by region. And then all we need to do is switch it, and here we have uh, our numbers, and then bundle, ebook, loose leaf. But here, look at this problem. We want to change for accounting. Change chart by region, but here they remain the same. Do I need to change all of our filters? No. How can you change it? Come here on filter and then apply to worksheets, all using these or related data source or these data source. Okay, business, business, business. And when we change one, for instance, both, it go on both here and both there. So we have only one filter now. But what is the most interesting is the dashboard. And then on dashboard, let's call it summary. And oh, where is the title? Dashboard, show title. And then, okay, we have one table and two charts. So let's add the charts first and then table and see how it works. So chart, one, chart, two, and it is the same colors here. So that is why it's good for the same. Oops. And table, no, don't like it. So let's delete everything here. Let's delete it here. Or okay, so table, come on this side. And then two charts here. That's better. But here we have a situation. So, okay. And then we can come here. Okay, so let's go on table. It's easier. So, okay, let's come here. Oh, much better. A little. Okay, and now the region, we can also make it shorter, as well as the here. So if you go to summary, oh, it's almost there, but then we can go up here. See how easy it is. And then what is most interesting now? We don't need three filters anymore. I want only business textbook. So let's delete accounting. Everything moves to business. So it is dynamic now. Oh, shit. See what I did here? Mm. And then let's come here, here. Oh, okay. Sorry. It is only short here. So we can come and go down because we don't need that much space. So you can kind of draw stuffs on your dashboard as well. So it's kind of an art here. So now you have this filter and you can go on all or only accounting textbook. So it's kind of dynamic dashboard on Tableau. Cool, huh? Very, very cool. So, guys, that's it. That is how, and it is much harder on Excel to do that. Tableau, once you know how to do it, it's much more user friendly. And here, the layout of dashboard, you don't need to change the layout of your charts. So just come here and everything will be okay. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.